Nice. Where else? Do you see any more? I see some. Over here. Turn around.
There's jelly beans here.
No kidding.
What's this? Nothing.
Oh, I don't know. There might open it and see what's in there.
We'll open them inside.
Yeah, let's open them inside instead. Oh, there was something in there.
Put it in here? Or put it in your basket, and then we'll keep looking for more.